If discipline has ever made you feel like you're failing, like you're behind, or like something is wrong with you, this video is for you. Because, discipline isn't about doing more. It's really about learning how to stay with yourself. Welcome to Soulful Sunday with AJ's EO Infusions. Before we begin, I want to share a quick disclaimer. The content in this video is for educational and inspirational purposes only. It's not intended to diagnose, treat, or replace medical or mental health care. Please listen to your body and consult a qualified professional for personal health concerns. This is about support, not pressure. Soulful Sunday is where we slow down, where we come back to ourselves, and where we set the emotional tone for the week ahead. In this week, we're talking about discipline. Not the kind of discipline that feels harsh or punishing, but the kind that feels safe. Somewhere along the way, discipline became synonymous with force, with pushing, with proving. But here's the truth most people never hear. Discipline doesn't come from willpower, it comes from regulation. When your nervous system feels overwhelmed, consistency feels impossible. Not because you're lazy, but because your body is protecting you. So if you've ever started strong and then faded, if routines felt heavy, if you blamed yourself for not sticking to it, you weren't broken, you were dysregulated. I've lived on both sides of that. I've tried discipline through pressure, through pushing, through doing more and more, and I've learned that it never lasts. What does last is when discipline becomes devotion, when it's small, when it's gentle, when it's something your body can trust. Before we continue, I want to pause here intentionally. If you're listening while moving, keep going. If you're seated, allow your shoulders to drop. Discipline doesn't require tension. Notice if your jaw is clenched or your breath is shallow. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. This is what consistency feels like when it's safe. I want to offer you a simple reset right now. If it feels safe, take a breath in through your nose and a slow exhale through your mouth. That right there is discipline, staying present, returning to yourself. Choosing regulation before reaction. I want you to consider something. Where did you first learn discipline? Was it gentle or was it demanding? And how might your body still be responding to that today? You don't need an hour, you don't need perfection, you need consistency that feels kind. This is why I believe in rituals, not routines. A ritual anchors you. It signals safety. It tells your body, we're okay. For me, that often looks like a simple lip ritual, a pause, a breath, a moment of care. Not because of what it does on the surface, but because of what it allows underneath. As we move into the Glow Discipline Week, you don't need to do everything. Choose one small moment each day to return to yourself. That's how discipline becomes devotion. I invite you to redefine discipline. Let it be the way you return to yourself, the way you listen, the way you choose softness again and again. Start small, stay present, and trust that consistency grows where safety lives. If this resonated, I invite you to subscribe for more Soulful Sundays, Wellness Wednesdays, and gentle ritual guidance. You can also explore the full lip ritual below if you're ready to anchor this practice into your daily life. And if you're comfortable, leave a comment and share, what does discipline mean to you right now? I'm so glad you're here. As this moment comes to a close, take one more breath with yourself. There's nothing you need to fix, prove, or rush into. Discipline doesn't begin with effort, it begins with care. Carry this sense of steadiness with you into the rest of your day and let it guide how you show up this week. Thank you for spending this time here. Until next Soulful Sunday, take gentle care.